12 key principles to winning people over and influencing them positively. Show genuine interest. Actively listen to others. Ask open-ended questions to encourage conversation. Remember and use people's names in conversations. Avoid criticizing or condemning. Criticizing others can create defensiveness. Instead, provide constructive feedback and focus on solutions. Give honest and sincere appreciation. Compliment others genuinely and specifically. People appreciate recognition for their efforts. Talk in terms of the other person's interests. Understand what motivates others. Tailor your communication to their interests and concerns.
Make others feel important. Acknowledge people's achievements and contributions. Validate their feelings and perspectives. Be a good listener. Listen more than you speak. Demonstrate empathy and understanding. Admit your mistakes. Accept responsibility for errors. People appreciate honesty and humility. Encourage others to talk about themselves. People enjoy talking about themselves. Ask about their experiences, opinions, and interests. Avoid arguments. Arguments rarely change opinions. Find common ground and seek compromise. Show respect for others' opinions. Even if you disagree, respect diverse perspectives. Foster an environment where people feel heard and valued. Begin in a friendly way. Start conversations positively to set a good tone. First impressions matter. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit subscribe, and join our community. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.